Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala itho da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jingyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Wei Rangbah ubala habban sange yala ka thuk Shiteng Kynta ha Polo namar ka jingwan u Amit Shah shakani ka jilla ban don banta ha ka 73rd plenary session ka North Eastern Council NEC ha ka step jo ka South Re ujilleo araja arpun reu ulapan pau ka jing Bitar namar ka jing bom yo ala jong u ban yat namar ka jing sa khang lenti hi ha ki bor penyat district. Uniu Rangbah ulo ong bo khlam yo kanu ka jing tep ban don ka jing khang yat kali but jenda ula yo jing tep ula shong ha yeng. Uniu Rangbah da Jing Bitar ulang better vote for change for 2028.
This is not Manipur also. Easily they can fly, okay? Our public is not going to throw one stone also to Amit Shah. Why he is afraid of so much? And why he is blocking road? If we are not going to pay one day, late fee is there for GST. And now he is blocking half an hour in this road. Who will pay that half an hour payment? Each and every minute there is money. They think they need only money. We are like puppet.
Don't you see like the government or the situation we feel because they don't give the notification also?
There was no notification publicly. I didn't receive any notification. Otherwise I could have stayed at home only.
So what do you have to say about this?
Better to vote for change. Vote for change for 2028.
Habatin, pej bahagi kishab, kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki bataye kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pej ya kashab plus F haka jingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha. Kam kata ikadur jingki marbam ka jingmat lani ka rukom shed yaki. Balehi banai kita. Kadon ka we ka jing mentoy bakongsan. Kakot kakia. Ka nutrition bakam bhag ka jing im bakam bha pendon kam daki mar ba modon ka sharp plus F menta kasni
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong commissionerate of food safety Meghalaya